Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy SX Destroyer here, back at it again with another reaction video for you guys. This one, I've missed a lot of uploads from SSJ9K, so I'm making up for as many reactions as I can. But this one's called The Birds in the... oh my god, The Birds in the Z's, like Dragon Ball Z. Oh dear god, Dragon Ball Z parody made by SSJ9K. So without further ado, let's start the video here in 3, 2, 1, let's go. SSJ! Love that intro. Animated by SSJ Carter. Damn, Daniel!
That's how I got your mother, Gohan.
I don't care!
Boy, who the hell are you yelling at? Huh?
I'm sorry,
Don't get it twisted, Gohan! I'll throw a goddamn spirit bomb at you!
Okay, Dad, but you're singing. It makes me want to blast myself in the face.
Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
You smashed Mom?
Hit it 3 times and I wifed her.
Why would you hit her? You monster!
Wait, that's not what I meant.
What are you saying?
Your dad, I mean Piccolo, never had the talk with you?
The talk?
You know, the birds and the Z's.
I hate birds.
Oh, bird hateness. Well, Gohan, sometimes when a man and a woman like each other, they do stuff.
What kind of stuff do they do?
Each other?
I like how Gohan's fishing. That's always...
Okay, imagine that boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Hold up.
Oh.
Anyone else see Icarus back there? When was the last time we saw Icarus? I mean, seriously. I wish they brought that one back. I wish they brought Icarus back. That would have been hella cool. Man, rip. Rest in pepperonis. But anyways, back to the video.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then if the girl likes the boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then, after 9 months, something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule corp capsule?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
No! A baby, Gohan!
Well, how am I supposed to know? Shit!
It's useless.
Dad?
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the Z's.
Really?
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
Goku.
One day, maybe I'll be just like you. I'll have a bunch of kids.
That smile.
And neglect them.
What was that?
Dang, Goku got roasted. Oh man, that was funny. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell next to my subscribe button so that way you'll never miss a video and you'll become part of hashtag Destroyer Nation and Notification Squad. And I will see you guys in the next video. Keep on rocking, Destroyer Nation. Peace out.